In this video, I'm going to be doing a Shein nail haul, and I'm going to be including a whole bunch of Valentine stuff that I found on their website. And I'm also going to show some random things here and there, such as this pack of nail swatch sticks. I believe there is 50 in there and it comes with the ring. Next, I got some more swatch sticks, but the stiletto shape, because I feel like when you swatch nail polish, it looks a lot better on the stiletto shapes than the regular ones that I just shown. Next, I got these cuticle pushers because I lose cuticle pushers all the time. I got myself a really good set off Amazon and told myself I wasn't going to lose it, and I did just that, so I had to get a few more. I also got a rhinestone picker because I don't have one, mostly because I don't really use rhinestones, and when I do, it's always a struggle trying to figure out how to pick these up without them falling. Usually I use like an end of a brush and put like a dab of polygel on there so the brush end gets sticky, but it sucks. I hate doing that. It doesn't really work very well. I also got myself a couple of fine nail art brushes. I actually got, I think it's 7 and I don't actually need all of that because I have 4 that are just fine, but I thought I should just get some more. Next, I got this storage container. I didn't even want this one. The one I wanted was out of stock. I ordered all this stuff like 3-4 weeks ago. Until this day, it's still out of stock. I really hope Shein restocks it because my charms have nowhere to live. Next, I got these press-ons. They looked really cute, so I said I'm gonna buy them. Next, I got some Kawaii Charms. I've never done like a whole Kawaii themed nail set before, and I'm looking forward to trying out some of those. I accidentally opened it upside down. But to get a closer look, it was mostly lollipops, some of those fruit slices. I think that's a bear on one of them. I don't know, but it was just a whole mix and match of lots of cute little charms. Next, I got this little tiny jar of like lots of different types of charms. There are rhinestones in there. There's some of those what are these even called? Just those. There was loads of those, but there is a lot of good stuff in this tiny container. Next, I got these butterflies. I only got them, sorry if you hear that, my neighbor likes to like body slam herself against the wall or something. It's just so random. It's like every once in a while we'll just hear some thud, like the loudest thud, and it's like, what the hell just happened? But I mostly got those butterflies just to use the red ones for a Valentine's Day nail set. I also got myself some of these red rhinestones. It has hearts in it and all different types of shapes. I also got myself some of these red hearts. I really like how these look in person. Like the picture online doesn't do no justice, but these are really pretty. I also got some more red hearts, which I realized when filming I didn't need to get this because in the pack of red rhinestones there are red hearts, but if you wanted to get red hearts alone then this would be perfect. And when I was trying to pick these pieces with the tweezers, they were all fighting with me. They did not want to stay. I edited out a lot of me dropping them and some I just had no choice but to leave it in. Also, to quickly add, I'm going to show the back of some of these charms so you can see if they have a flat back or if they're curved. Next, I got these cherries. When I was ordering this, I had a nail set in mind, but thinking about it now, I don't think I'm going to do it. Or if I do, no, I just fell right into that. If I do it, I probably won't post a video on it. Next, I got these hearts and I love every single color. I'm thinking of possibly doing a non-red Valentine's Day set, but I don't know quite yet. But if I do, let me know what color I should use. Next, I got these charms, and this is my favorite thing out of my whole order. I'm definitely using these. It won't be in my next video, it'll be in the one after it because I filmed next week's video yesterday, assuming this video is out on Sunday, which it probably won't be. Looking at it up close, I'm just like, I really like this even more and I need it in every color. And it also has a curved back, which is great. I also got these, which are similar to the last charm, and I only got this one because I couldn't decide between this and the previous charm. But looking at them face to face, the last one is a clear winner. But these are also cute because of the silver that it has. Next, I got these spinny things. So the correct name is rotating bearing. So you put that on your nail, then put a charm on top of it and it spins. I also got those cherries in a silver. At first I thought they accidentally put this in my package, but then when I looked at my receipt, I did in fact order these, but I really don't remember adding these, like at all. But they are cute and I'm going to figure out how to incorporate them in a nail set. Next, I got these roses, and this one was a gamble because on the website it didn't look like much because they're so thin. So I thought I'm just gonna get them and see how they look in person, but it wasn't really giving. It's just kind of bland. I don't know how to incorporate them. I might think of something, but they weren't the best. Next, I got these bears. These are the bears that have like its arm out. I have the one where it's got the heart as a charm in silver, and I wanted to get these in gold. And I don't know why I did that because gold for some reason doesn't suit me. It does not suit me even on nails, so I think I'm gonna go back and get them in silver. Next, I got these silver hearts. I think these are actually reflective. I don't even know, it kind of dawned on me now. It's got that reflective look to it, and I also got them as butterflies. I also got some of these stickers. I really like these. These are so pretty and they're so vibrant, like they're HD. Sometimes the stickers aren't printed the best, but these are printed the best. These are so nice and I really can't wait to use them. Next, I got these flowers. These were kind of underwhelming in person. I still am going to use them, just not for a Valentine's Day nail set. But they're somewhat 3D, they're a little bit raised, but you know, they're not that bad to be honest. Next, I got these sweetheart stickers and I have them on my nails right now. I will upload that next week and show you what I did with them. But I really love these stickers. And there's 2 sheets of these, but the second sheet is not what you think. The second sheet is kind of random and it just doesn't go with it. I mean, it kind of does, but doesn't at the same time. Next, I got these Care Bears. The first time I saw them on Sandra's channel, and then I couldn't find them. But lo and behold, it was in her description box all that time. So I got them, but they have 3 sheets in that one thing, and the second sheet is just blue and green Care Bears, and then the third sheet are purple and pink Care Bears. Lastly, I got this album to put my nail stickers in. The one I have is currently full, so I decided to get one off Shein. But that is it for this haul, guys. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.